welcome back to another pro tips video. I'm going to show you in this video quick how you can keep your mailbox tidy by using mailbox rules. So in your mailbox, if you have the normal subset of folders, it's always a good idea to create subfolders for future use where you can say you can either section it per person or per department or per subject or topic or task or project. Let's call this wife. If you always want to filter your emails from your wife, that should go to that folder. So you do just that, then you go to rules, manage rules and alerts, and then here you can create a new rule. Move messages from someone to a folder. Yes, because it's going to be from the wife. So yes, that one please. Here's the actual complete rule here at the end. Apply this rule after the message arrives from people or distribution groups. Here you can put in your wife at wifey dot whatever. So you can search for it, or you can put okay. So here you can select search for an email address, or you can just enter it manually. So this would be wife at love.com, whatever her email address is. And then you say okay, and then move it to a specified folder. Now you can select which folder you want your wifey stuffs to be in. So we want it to be in the subfolder here that's called wife, and then we say next, and we can choose additional options if you want to, if it should have a certain word in the subject. So it could be a double filter, a double check from this person with this details, move it, or you can then you can have move it to the specified folder. Do we want to move it, or do we want to move a copy of it? Your choice. It's entirely up to you. And then next and finish. So every time an email arrives from wife at leave, then it would move to that folder automatically. So now when an email arrives from from your wife, it will move it automatically to the wife folder. Another useful thing to do is to create a backup. Say you're in a company environment and you really don't want them to stuff you without emails out of the blue. You're sucked in without emails. Create a separate PST, and then what you can do is you can move all the files from all the emails. You can make a copy to that PST folder. So you say new rule, and you just say next here where it says the from, or here you just say next. It'll ask you come on. So you can say check messages, apply a rule when I receive, no? Next. And it is through the specified account. If you want to do it that way, you can do it that way, because that will be the easiest. Any email coming through that account, then you can say here, move a copy of that rule to the specified folder, and there you can just specify that a folder in your PST file, your backup PST file, and finish. And there it'll send a copy to that folder. This is really useful. Remember rules and alerts. It's going to save you a lot of time and keep your mailbox neat. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.